So anytime now.
So now what I'm going to do is show you how each brush works. First of all, I'm going to start with the lengthening brush. I'm going to apply it and then show you the length and the separation I get from it. So here I go. Sometimes mascara gets real clumpy or it's real thick. Just make sure and take and wipe some of that off with a tissue before you start applying it. So this way you don't get that clumpy look, but you get nice, beautiful separation, length. As you can see right here. Now I'm going to go into the fullness, and this is the all black brush, okay? We're going to take it and really work it in. These black brushes really take in a lot of color, so take your time. And if there's areas where you want like more opening, I like to go into the center of the line and just kind of jiggle it a little bit for a few seconds. You get that nice thickness, and it's not getting so clumpy. But you can see the thickness, stagger it a little bit, more thickness. And you can look at my other lash, how separated it is from top to bottom, but the other one looks a little thicker. Now I'm going to grab one of my favorites, which is the round ball. And the round ball is going to give your bottom and top corners on the outside some really cool look. As you can see, you can get length and separation, and you're not getting it all over you, but you can take it and really see how the corners are almost connecting and extending out, and it really opens up the eye. I'm going to do my other eye and show you with the thickness. So, you know, actually you can create so many different looks depending on where you're going and what type of look you want on a daily basis, but for evening enhancement or special occasion, you can really just take off with it and get what you want, but it's not getting all over the place. And you know, women, when you work with these brushes, if there's any gobs on, just take a wet Q-tip, wet it, and then just dab those little corners off, or those little spots that you get. Now the last brush, which is the curved brush, I like to really get in here because some people have really short lashes and they can't get in there. So you want to just take it and get it in these nice little corners so you get all of your lashes extended and blending in a little better. That little curve just helps you get right in there without a lot of fussing. And still you have separation. And even on this corner if you like. But that little curve right there just makes a big difference to get these little inside corners. And like I said, you can use all 4 brushes or just 2 depending on where you're going and what type of look you like. Okay, you can do it with brown mascara, you can do it with black mascara, you can do it with waterproof mascara. Now, a lot of people have asked me what is the care of these brushes. You know, you'll have these brushes for about 6 months actually. And there's, you can wash them with soap, but with some of the oil, you can just wipe them off real good and then reuse them. They're really nice to just clean and just reuse. It's really not a big deal. Then what else do I want to ask? Curling your lashes. You can curl your lashes first and then apply your mascara, or you can apply your mascara and curl your lashes. It just really depends, but really keep your lashes lubricated, and you can actually use safflower oil to keep your lashes lubricated and with some length.